morning, everyone. This is Karen Martz and Freedom the Parrot from beautiful Hilton Head Island. Today we're going to show you an alternative way to clean your carpet that is people-friendly, pet-friendly, and environmentally safe. Are you stuck on steam? Call Evergreen Natural Cleaning Services. We use natural and environmentally friendly products on your carpet, and it is dry in about 30 minutes. No more noisy van in your driveway, hoses drag through your home or villa, and no more wet carpet that takes hours or even overnight to dry. No downtime at all. Carol is going to demonstrate how we clean your carpet. First, we spray the encapsulating rinse on the carpet. Second, we spread the micro sponge or organic compound. Third, we brush the products into the carpet and they attach to the soil or stain, making it easy to clean. Fourth, we use the same machine by putting the renovator covers, and this gently removes the compound or any soil or stain. Jim will switch these for us. Your carpet will look and smell fresh, and this process does not encourage resoiling like the steam cleaners. Call today for a free estimate or appointment at 843-415-6336. Serving Hilton Head Island, Bluffton, and Evergreen Natural Cleaning Services looks forward to providing professional and dependable service to your home.